Hey traders, what's going on? Todd here, trading analysis. Markets are breaking out. Nasdaq is 3.5% from all-time highs, and what was interesting yesterday, it did it. The Nasdaq 100 did it with the top 7 market cap stocks being down in the day. So you're seeing a very good rotation just below the surface. More stocks are participating. So we really need to go to work finding the best names that can take us higher outside of the Mag 7, which is what we've been discussing here on the free video, and we just did a whole bunch of work for the members on that, and I'll share sort of one group and one name that we're looking to trade on the for the move up. So let's set it up here. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq to begin with, and so here is the Nasdaq 100, okay? We are just shy of the all-time highs of 16,765 as we trade 16,219 right now. And you can see we're already starting to tick higher here on the open. There are the previous all-time highs. So we see this as a potential wave 3 that would take us significantly higher. Now, the first thing you'll notice is, as I said in the beginning, the Mag 7 were down, and yet the Nasdaq's pushing to new highs. Take a look at NVIDIA. It's not by any means a bearish setup, but it's not participating, trying to push back to the highs yet, right? And we're seeing that in the rotation here in the semi group. Okay, so if we look over to sector rotation, and we're skipping a few steps, we're just going right into the stocks. So monthly left, weekly right on the rotation. And NVIDIA's had obviously an amazing move starting back in May, in June of 23. But over here on the weekly, what has NVIDIA done? Well, NVIDIA is not participating right now. And in fact, we saw NVIDIA rotate out right about there. So we're at about August of this year. So it's been August, September, October, November, December, and NVIDIA's still going. But look what some other semis, you got to look just below the surface. And that's kind of the point of this video, is look at the move higher that you're seeing in several names that over on the longer term monthly have been hot in the tails of NVIDIA. Now in the weekly, they're starting to show signs of going. So Broadcom was already up. KLA 10 Core, Lam Research, Monolithic, AMD, Amkor. I mean, look at the rotation that's happening here in the semis, leaving NVIDIA behind. And that's kind of that's what was happening yesterday, right? It was just the second tier, just below the largest mega cap growth stocks that were leading yesterday, right? So, I'm active management on my wealth management side. Like, I love this kind of market because this is where we excel. It's, the people who are just, indexing and just being long all the large cap growth and riding it up is great. Well, we're seeing a rotation now. How long does that last? We'll see. But, right now it's super fun. So one name that I do want to look at here for you is Lam. So LRCX. So good position here on the monthly. Is actually ahead of AMD. And then I really like the shape of this hook here in LRCX. KLA 10 Core has done it as well. It's a little bit more advanced than Lam in the pattern, and I just want to see LRCX where that stock could go, and we are considering adding to our holdings in our stock swing desk portfolio. Okay, so here's the wave count in LRCX. Beautiful, what we call the triple Lindy correction into the end of 23. Beautiful rally from October up to November, down in wave 2. Now, this is quite an impressive move off the lows. So how much higher will minor 5 have to go? And we just discussed this at length in the members video. Well, we've had a pretty long wave 1 and 2. Wave 1, I should say, and a shallow wave 2. So the rule in the Elliott wave world is 3 doesn't have to be the longest, but it just can't be the shortest. So the equality between 1 and 3 would be up here in Lam at 871. A 0.618 relationship would be 795, and I think that is a reasonable near-term target to trade towards. If we want to get up to equality, that's going to be an unbelievable rally. But I think for the near term, we're going to try to get up into here, and there's some good opportunities for some what I call phase one option trades to get up into this target at 795. There's some, you can do some call spreads up into that zone, and I'm going to discuss that in a webinar here tonight. So you want to check that out. It's information should be below. It's 7 p.m. Tuesday night, talking about phase one, phase two option trades exactly like this. So probably going to put the trade on with our members, and we'll discuss it in the webinar tonight, give you more details about it. So be sure to check that out. Hopefully see you in the webinar tonight, and have a great day trading. Watch out for that rotation just below the mega cap growth level. It's pretty fun. See you guys. Hi, it's Todd from tradinganalysis.com. Thanks so much for watching. Listen, my team and I have so much to share with you in terms of our technical analysis, our fundamental analysis, portfolio management tactics, trading in and out, maybe options, sector rotation. Let us know what's most interesting to you. Maybe drop that in the comments section, and we'll do our best to work it in. Also, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we put out new videos. And finally, you can check us out at tradinganalysis.com if you'd like to see us manage our real portfolios in real time. Thanks again for watching.